So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of tasks right here. And if I were to go around and let's say, for example, select out this task right here and format it out. Let's say, for example, add a background color and add in a text right here, bold it out. Then you can see that this format is applied right here. So now what I can do is I can go around and then click on Format Painter if I want to copy out this format. Once you click on it, the format has been copied. And now if I were to go around to any other text right here and click, then what happens is that the exact format is copied and pasted, as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here and click on Format Painter and click and drag out onto multiple cells, then you can see that Format Painter pastes out the format onto multiple cells just like this as well. So you can go around over here, get the Format Painter right here and copy it out from unformatted text as well. So you can go around Format Painter and click on this right here. Click on Format Painter right here and then hold this out right here just like this, and you can see that the format is added in. And that is how you can work around with Format Painter inside of Microsoft Project to copy out your formats. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.